Hello, friends. Welcome to Triple Four. I am introducing a very powerful AI plugin for your Google Chrome web browser. Make your daily job like simple photo editing or text extraction easily right from the web browser. First, let's check the Painter tab, which has simple yet powerful photo editing capabilities. I'm going to upload an image and going to replace this flower object with a glass object, painting over the object. Then type your prompt here. I am just entered the prompt and AI is working on it. Viola. It's replaced with the beautiful green uh, glass bottle with green plant, and it doesn't look like the photograph has been edited. It's quite natural. Next, I am going to upload another image for a background removal feature. Each feature in this AI tool has comes to use its AI credits, and while purchasing a membership, we can uh, get different credit plans, and even there is a, of course, there is an unlimited plan. And I am trying to replace the background after downloading the image, typing the prompt. It doesn't went through because I have not enough credits. Daily we get 30 free credits, which we can use to extract text from 30 images, or for photo editing features it require more credits. Here I am going to completely remove this flower object from the photograph. AI working on it, and voila, completely remove the object and just a blank table. Next, I am going to try the text extraction feature. Just upload an image and AI is working on it. Voila, the text is accurately, the handwritten text is accurately transcribed into fully editable text. It's going to be an easy feature for our daily routine work straight from the browser. Sometimes we need to extract text from part of an image, etc. We can completely control the AI because we can turn it on or off, and we can get it from the Google Chrome web store. Searching Cider AI, Cider, that it comes with ChatGPT, Cloud 3.5, and Gemini 1.5, etc., and many more AI features are there. Like we can communicate, chat with our PDF document uh, to get specific information, summarize topics, etc., and all other chat GPT features included with this, with the access, that analysis, many more features are. and we can get unlimited membership at $12.4 per month and on $49 for an year, and that comes with unlimited credits, and uh, we can unlimitedly edit images, extra text, etc., and it's quite useful feature. And that's all for the about the this plugin, and thanks for watching. Bye.